Kamusta kabayan? Ako nga pala si Josh, tubong Baguio at isa na ngayong OFW dito sa UK. Simula nung lumipat ako dito sa UK, isa sa mga naging strategy ko pagdating sa goal setting ay gumawa ng vision board. At eto yung pinakauna kong vision board na ginawa. Fortunately enough, and of course by God's grace, karamihan ng mga nilagay ko doon ay na-manifest ko na siya into reality. Kaya naman, gumawa ako ng bago kong vision board ngayon. Isa sa napili kong ilagay sa bago kong vision board ay mag-aral ng Muay Thai. Kaya naman, nung umuwi ako sa Philippines to spend New Year's Eve with my family back home, sumide trip na rin ako sa Thailand para mag-aral ng Muay Thai. Pero bakit nga ba Thailand pa? Simple lang. Kasi dito pinanganak ang Muay Thai. Pero nung nasa Thailand ako, para mag-aral sana ng Muay Thai, meron akong natutunan na mas mahalaga pa pala kaysa sa Muay Thai. First day ko sa Thailand, pumunta kami ng Icon Siam para mag-dinner cruise. Only buffet for 2 hours yung service dito. Meron silang live music. Kaya kung may music, syempre ang next na gagawin natin ay sasayaw. Pagkatapos ng sayawan ay tamang sightseeing lang. Unang araw ko pa lang ng Thailand neto and I fell in love with the place already. It was not what I expected it to be kasi honestly akala ko parang same lang din naman sa Pinas siguro doon. Pero maling-mali ako. If anything, parang Philippines 3.0 dito sa Thailand. Second day in Thailand. Saan tayo pupunta, brother? Try natin mag-aral ng bagong sport. Dito siya nag-originate din, Muay Thai.
You come from?
Ha?
You come from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Pacquiao.
Pacquiao. That's it. Wala kayo na higa? Wala. Easy man! I can't go, I can't go. Punta muna kami ng beach after Muay Thai session, recovery na post Muay Thai session na full plunge with sauna para mas mabilis yung recovery, para bukas pwede ulit. Grabing experience. That's my first ever Muay Thai lesson na talagang nireserve ko yun para sa Thailand trip ko. And honestly, it did not disappoint. Isa pang na-enjoy ko dito ay yung street foods nila after every sessions. Walang katulad talaga.
Third day in Bangkok. Pupuntahan natin ngayon yung church natin. Papasyalan natin si Pastor Paquet, Pastor Tino kasi coincidentally andito rin sila sa Bangkok kaya pasyalan natin yung head church. What's the word for it? I don't know. Hello. Sawadee Kap. PS Tower. Say hello to the camera. Hello.
Dito din pala sa Thailand, isang mode of transport nila ay motorbike. Tamang angkas trip. Pero ang difference sa Pinas, dito hindi uso ang helmet.
How much? Kapon Kap. Bye-bye. Which floor?
You can see it. Before
24.
me.
Okay. Kapon Kap. Grabe yun. Iba lang talaga pag merong language barrier.
ยึดกับตัวเขาครับพระเยซูมาอยู่ข้างกลางเขา
And Jesus took all his blows.
โอ้และพระเยซูนั่นแหละครับ
You can buy the ticket at the counter. Just tell them you want to go to Sahatas.
Where are we going, Michael?
We are going to take some nice boat ride.
Boat ride, okay. We're gonna go to Grand Palace, I think. This is one thing about being a Christian. You have family everywhere.
Out of all the places na magkikita kami ng isang friend ko dito sa UK, sa Thailand pa talaga.
Right? You have family everywhere. Who would have thought that I would walk in the streets with Michael? He's from Hope, Newcastle. I've seen you a lot, but I've officially met you in leadership training. Wow, it was a preparation for this moment, don't you think?
I was so ready to go alone, and then I was like, okay, solo travel is not bad either. But then the more the merrier, right? So
That's
this
it.
is nice.
It's my first time to ride the train here in Bangkok. I hope we don't get lost. Pastor said earlier, when you get lost, call me. I will pray for you.
Very powerful prayer.
Very powerful.
You know when he said about BTS, I was so confused. Like, what's BTS?
BTS.
I didn't realize it's the name of
Yeah,
the
name of the station.
Grand Palace.
Grand Palace. Sawadee Kap. Hello. Sawadee Kap.
Wow,
Sawadee Kap.
nice place, no?
What's your name, Krumai? Ko. Coach Ko. You fight as well before?
โอนไฟมวยโบราณ
Ah. Yeah. You fight.
ตอนยัง
Yeah. Champion.
no แชมเปี้ยนแต่มีแชมเปี้ยนนะ
Champion.
แชมเปี้ยน
Oh. touch.
ทักโอเคขอแตะหน่อยพี่
Oh. Oh. Ayan.
Balitok mat lang.
Solid din, no? Sa kwan lang nila, sa bakuran lang nila. Their love for this, yeah, actually. Ang daming sabing coaches na hindi worth it na maging coach as a profession or as a career kasi hindi siya rewarding financially. Parang hindi ka compensated sa lahat ng ilalagay mo.
Na effort and everything.
The only reason lang na parang nag-i-stay sila sa ganun is because their love for it. Their love for the sport, their love for the science, their passion na talaga nila.
And that's my short side trip to Thailand. Although it was short, pero it changed my outlook in life.
It all started with the goal. And because meron akong goal, it has allowed me to experience and realize different lessons na I was not expecting to learn at all.
I finally understood why Thailand has been the most visited country in the world for how many years. Kasi tourism is really on another level. Food, culture, weather, and the people. I honestly did not expect that sa Thailand, pero I live that for you to experience. Na-realize ko din na if you are a Christian, you have a family all over the world. Na kahit saan ka man mapunta, there will always be someone who will welcome you. Na-realize ko rin na the world is so big that I am just a dot in a world full of blank pages. Yung trip na yun became a reminder to me that the world is too wide for us to just stay in one corner. And that we have a whole lifetime ahead of us for learning, exploring, and experiencing the world. Totoo pala yung sabi talaga nila na new experience is the spice of life. Ang point ko dito is this: having a goal is not just about achieving the goal, pero yung journey to get to that goal is where the real growth happens. Goals kasi are just reasons to start. It's the journey that would lead you to unexpected turns. And that is the beauty in it. Until maging bonus na lang yung goal. Kasi it's the journey really that would transform you. Yun lang, kabayan. Sana meron kang natutunan at na-enjoy mo yung video na to. Follow me on YouTube, Big Josh, on Facebook naman, Baguio in UK. Thank you and God bless.